Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix Instagram notifications not showing. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find the home section, search, reels, and lastly right here, you're gonna find your profile section. So first of all, go ahead and click on your profile icon. And then once you're here in your profile section, go ahead and click on the icon in the top right corner. Once you do that, right here, you're going to find all of the settings related to your Instagram account. So once you're here, scroll a little bit down until you find how you use Instagram. Here under how you use Instagram, you're going to find your saved posts, archive, activity, notifications, and lastly, here you're going to find time spent. So go ahead and click on notifications. And then right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of the settings related to Instagram notifications. From here, you're going to find the option to pause all of the notifications. If you find this option enabled, go ahead and make sure you disable it. And then right here, you're going to find also the quiet mode. Check if you are having the quiet mode on. If you have it on, just turn it off. And then right here, you're going to find all of your notifications settings. If you did already all of these steps and you still don't receive notifications, go ahead and click on the go to the settings on your phone and then go to applications. Once you do that, go ahead and search for Instagram. And then once you search for Instagram, once you find it, click on it and then go to notifications and make sure you have the notifications allowed. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.